Today we are making Shatter Infused Chocolate Covered Cherries. This is the beginning process right here. I am taking the butter and I am going to mix it with the shatter, which is infused in coconut-based oil. Excuse me. So I'm going to mix this into here, and then I'm going to heat this up a little bit and make sure that it's infused into the butter itself, just to get a real nice thorough infusion for sure. There's also some soy lecithin in here. I believe I put a teaspoon, I want to say, but you could add more when you're making this, depending on how you do it. So there are a couple different approaches you could take to do this. I'm going to show you the rest of what's needed to make this. Okay, so we have light corn syrup, we have Confectioners Sugar, we have maraschino cherries, whole jars being used, and we have semi-sweet chocolate chips. And if you have almond extract, you could use a quarter teaspoon of that. I have some almond paste here. I may use a little bit of this. And that's it for now. I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back here, and this is the butter with the oil decarbed. So that's just about ready to go in here. In here is the 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, and there's a tablespoon of milk. So I'm about to add this into this, and I'm gonna mix this all up for a while until it forms. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this. Once I get this incorporated, just a tad bit, I'm gonna add the corn syrup, and it'll be good. I haven't decided if I'm going to add the almond paste because I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of it, and I don't want to waste it, so I might not use it, but I'll be back. So I'm back after about 10 minutes of mixing. I just wanted to show you like progress of where it's at. I haven't been using my hands directly, which may probably be a better idea. But my wrists are hurting really bad. The cubital tunnel is starting to kick in my left hand, and it's pretty painful. So I may put some gloves on and just finish this out by hand. I think it'll be a lot quicker and easier instead of just messing around with this fucking thing. Okay, so I'll be back. Alright, so after about 15 minutes, this is what it's looking like. It is about a doughy consistency. I tried to get all the little spots that were sticking out mixed in, so I got most of them out. I just saw one somewhere. Let's split it back up. But yeah, I'm gonna continue working this for a couple more minutes. I'm gonna put it away, and then I'll get back to this tomorrow because it's so much work and my hands are killing me already. But this is it. Have a good night. Peace. Okay, so it's the next day now. I mixed this a little bit more. As you could see, I wrapped it in parchment also. I took it out earlier to weigh it on the scale here to see how much it weighed, and this way I could make the doses really like even for sure. So I'm going to be weighing out 30 doses, and each one, I believe it was 13.5 grams. It's going to be for each ball. So I'm going to do 30 of those, and then I'm going to put them back in the fridge if they're sticky and stuff. If they're able to be worked with, I'm going to wrap the cherries, and then I'm going to put them in the fridge. I'm going to let them chill for, I don't know, maybe 45 minutes. And after that, I will take these chocolate chips here, and I will get the double boiler going. I have a pot here, or this one. I'm not sure which one I'm going to use yet, but I do have parchment paper. I lined the tray, so it'll be easier, less messy. I also have one of these silicone baking mats here, which is awesome for things like this especially. But I'm going to use this probably at the end, but I'll probably have it lined with parchment paper. This will be the end result right there. So I'm gonna go get measuring all these out, and I'll line them up all along this tray, and then we'll be back. Okay, so I weighed out all 30. They all weigh 13.5 grams. So the next step is to grab the cherries, wrap the cherries, and then put them in the fridge. Let them sit to get cold, probably 45 minutes or so. You're not supposed to leave them in there for more than 2 hours, so make sure you don't leave them in there for 2 hours, trust me, okay? After that, we're going to heat the chocolate up, warm the chocolate in a double boiler setup, and we're going to finish these off. Hopefully. There might be some that need to be dipped again, which is not a problem. Everything should be perfect. There should be no worries. Remember, you're not trying to actually cook the chocolate. You're going to be boiling the water at a pretty low heat. You don't want the water to touch the bottom of the bowl that you're using to melt the chocolate. Please heed my words. You will thank me later. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to do this real quick, and then I'll be back and knock this out. Back again. So these are all done. These are all rolled up. I didn't really want to try to record with my hands all messy since I had gloves on, but I'll tell you the easiest way to do these. You flatten the dough out. You put the cherry in the center. You wrap it around. Make sure it's like sealed a little bit, and then you just roll it back and forth between your two hands, and it'll come out like balls, pretty much. Years of playing with Play-Doh as a child has definitely paid off, I must say. I don't know if they still make Play-Doh or what, but okay, so I'm gonna throw these into the fridge for it's 9 o'clock. I'll throw them in there for almost an hour, and then I'll take them out. And when it's just about an hour, I'm gonna start setting up the chocolate. I need 2 cups of chocolate. I'm gonna match what I put in for the Confectioners Sugar. So it's gonna be the same and the same. So it's gonna be 2 cups, or whatever it was, 2.5 cups to 2.5 cups. All right, so nothing too complicated. It should be nice and easy. This is gonna be the last part. This should be probably the easiest part. All right, I'll be back. So we've got the chocolate chips in the bowl on the stove, on the burner, which is on low. I'm gonna turn it up just a little bit, and I will come back in like 5 minutes. Stir it around a little bit. Once it's all melted, I will take out the tray and proceed to dip the the cherries, like I mentioned, probably about 20 times already. So yeah, we'll be doing that very soon. Stay with me. All right, this is a chocolate covered cherry. This is after 2 days of it being cooled in the refrigerator. Just going to cut it in half. So you can see it. This is fresh out of the refrigerator. It didn't have any time to really sit out at room temperature. But the inside filling is supposed to melt. Oh my god, it's so delicious. But I just wanted to show everyone what they're looking like. Camera 1, camera 2. Yes, there are 2 cameras here, so I'm trying to utilize both at the same time. That looks good. These are 100 milligrams per cherry, so these are not for the faint of heart. I'm about to eat one. Cheers. Good day. Hope you all enjoyed. Peace.
Hello there, YouTube land, real people, robots, and trolls. Welcome to the channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have any questions, I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.